But just doing what I did today, I think we're almost even right here. Hi guys, welcome back. I think tonight we're gonna get back to the pillar on the driver's side and probably turn it just a little bit more towards the front. Not much, just enough to just get a little bit more gap in the back and see how that helps. And I think we're probably going to bend the bottom part of the pillar a little bit more and try to get that inner rocker to fit up in there nice and snug. But we'll try to get this driver's side all squared away. Might be a possibility that I still have to cut the top of the cowl a little bit in order to bring the pillar up, because I still think it's setting just a little too low. I think if you bring that up just a little bit, the fender will fit much better and it'll bring in that gap a lot better on the back plate. At least that's what we'll try to do tonight. Anyways, it'll be a lot more fitment tonight and just trial and error type thing, messing with stuff and hopefully get something that works, and then we can start really securing things to where they need to be. But Kevin, if you're watching this, I got your hat. Here it is. I couldn't get the completely black one, so it's gray, logo on it, snapback. And I emailed him, and he likes the bigger sticker size, but this is what I got for now. I'll send you the bigger set, which is this top set here. And then this is a smaller set. I think this is a 2-inch decal. These are 1 inches. But if y'all like these, let me know. I can make more of them and sell them. I kind of like them. I'll probably put some of these smaller ones on my board over here. If y'all are interested in those, let me know. I can make more. Maybe make a 3-inch one if y'all want that. But I do believe 4 sets of each size. I think that's what she said. As soon as I'll have 3 bigger sets left and 3 smaller sets left. So if y'all want those, email me or something. We can work something out. If there's big enough demand for them, I may make them and actually try to get a little website going and start selling stuff, have links to everything, all my social media and all that type of stuff. But just if you're wondering, I'm on TikTok and Instagram, and Facebook. But y'all are getting the right now type of stuff. I haven't caught up Facebook, Instagram, or TikTok to where we're at now in the Bronco. So, but if you want to go there, it's just little quick videos of what we did on the Bronco and stuff like that. May add some more different stuff in with it eventually, but that's all I'm doing with it right now. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get the door off and we'll start messing with that pillar a little bit and trying to get it to fit better and the outer rocker to fit up underneath it snug. Like I said last night, is probably, I'd say, at least a 1/4 inch too long. So I'll have to figure that out. But let's get over there and get to work. Well, I tried moving the pillar, pulling it forward a little bit more. Don't know if it worked because now the door won't shut. But I think that was because last time I didn't have the front plate secured at the top, and the bottom of it wasn't that secure either, so it had a little bit of room to flex down there. So I think that's why the door shut yesterday or the day before. So the pillar needs to, don't know if I can roll it any more forward because there's already a pretty good angle on the flange part of it. That makes sense. And the fender bolt holes are off more than they were yesterday, so I may have to roll it back a little bit and try to move it forward a smidge. And I still think it needs to come up just a hair. We did put shims in the door. I was trying to bring it forward some to get the gap between the fender and the front of the door better, and it is better, but the fender is just a little bit high still. And I think what will solve that is if we bring the A-pillar up, and I think we might need to bring the A-pillar forward just a little bit. I'm gonna look at those dimensions, Keith, that you gave me, recheck my measurements, and if that's the case, then we'll have to take a little bit off this portion here, a little bit on the inside and top to move the pillar back and up a little bit. If you move the pillar up a little bit, then I'll move the door up some because I got these hinges all the way up, and it should bring that down because right now it's not sitting anywhere close to the A-pillar, and it's sitting on the cowl, which I never moved, and I didn't do anything to the fender. So it tells me that the A-pillar has to move. But just doing what I did today, I think we're almost even right here. You look at it, it'll be easier if the door's closed. And I think our body lines are gonna be pretty good. Just need to move this that way. But let me know your thoughts on this, if I should mess with this at all. Cutting a little bit here and a little bit there and moving the pillar up and forward. Well, it's kind of afraid of the camera. Got too hot and it quit. If y'all didn't get that on this part right here, let me know if y'all had cut this at all in order to move the pillar up and forward. I'm thinking that's what I need to do, but I'm not 100% sure. Moving the bottom of the A-pillar over more didn't improve the outer rocker any. I'm still off 1/2 inch. I may put the outer rocker on it next time and then match the A-pillar to it and see what my angle looks like. See if it's straight or if it's like this or like that. Because I think my outer rocker's too long. I'm still debating on getting new outer rockers and a new front plate for the A-pillar. Just reordering those and then selling the ones I got. See how I can do something with them, because I don't want to try to weld a seam in the middle of that outer rocker. I know it's gonna look ugly, but things I'm gonna do this weekend, we are gonna get the Bronco on the dollies, put the international jack stands. I'm just it's way too cramped where I am, and I'd like to have a little bit more room because I can't open the door all the way like I want it. Keeps on hitting the hood, and I know either gonna dent the hood or the door. So we'll get the Bronco on dollies, maybe do a little bit of cleanup, and then we'll get back to fitting everything again and trying to get everything nailed down on the driver's side. I am going to order a new bolt backing thing for the passenger side A-pillar. If I don't find that one, I'll look for that one this weekend. Thank you for watching. I think we got a little bit further today. The door is up now, and the back of it's pretty level with the tub. I just need it all to come forward, and the front part come up a little bit, and I think we'll be in pretty good shape. If you're new to the channel, that kind of stuff, please stick around. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. It does really help the channel out a lot, and helps me out. the longer you stick around and watch me suffer. But thanks again, and I'll see you next time.